Right, so I get this box for my dog every month, and I thought I would show you guys what he gets. So it's £13 for the box, and that's postage as well. And then if you want to add in an extra toy, if your dog's extra playful, then it's just an extra £6 for an extra toy. Oh. So it looks like we've got some treats in here for him. On top. So this is the Valentine's box. And it just tells you a little bit about each thing that's inside. So, and it has it in different languages as well. So let's just have a quick look here. So he has a lips toy, and he has a pillow toy, and then he's got some more treats, and another treat by the looks of this. It's really nice. And then two bags, always handy to have. You get 5 items, and then if you pick for the extra toy, then you'll get 6 items each month. And that is just his box. So that is February's box, just there. As you can see, looking at the pamphlet, so the dog poo bag dispenser is £16. The treats that were in the lip brown bag is £1.70. The other treats that he got was £2.60. The lips toy was £7.85, and the treats was £2. So it says the total value of this box was £35, and this includes the shipping costs as well. So you're getting more than what you're paying for the box. I've just added all of these together that's here, and it totaled with the shipping value to £36 something, and obviously I also got an extra toy in it. So for paying £19, that's £36 just for that. That's not even including the free toy.